What's happening with y'all, man? Would have shot another video up on the cam, but due to technical difficulties and type shit, couldn't do it. So, man, what's happening with y'all, man? Y'all back into my motherfucking bathroom one more time. Would have shot it up in the room with me, you know what I'm saying? Couldn't do that shit right now. I'm on the motherfucking way, shooting this shit on the motherfucking bathroom. Bitch, what you gonna do? Matter of fact, nigga, fuck you. That's how we carrying around here. DDLB, man. If you gonna like my video, you ain't gonna like my video. Bitch, hop off my dick for all y'all motherfuckers say I can't rap. Bitch, I'm right. Ain't no motherfucking song about your ass right now. See? Yeah, writing a song about that ass, I meant to say. See, y'all motherfuckers got me gone and shit. You see this? That's that slam on. Y'all ain't looking at my shit. Y'all gonna be trying to call my verses next, motherfuckers. Tell them when I get the ride to the rhythm. Man, I better fucking with them when I load up the ammunition. When a nigga get a kill in the competition. Yeah. Told them I got that for